think we got a question, right? Yeah. Dear brother, I really don't understand what is the importance of having a master in our life, master or teacher, what you like to call as guru. Now, a request from me that don't give me that sort of cliched answer that to learn something you need a teacher. For your information, I have learned how to ride a scooter without any teacher, without any instructor. Tough guy. This question has come with a clause also. Yeah. So what is the need of a master, an instructor to learn anything? Yeah, to some extent you are right. You can learn things by reading books. Theories are available in books. Yeah, you can learn. Why not? To some extent. Now, to learn about life, what is the need of a spiritual master to work in the way of spiritual growth? Well, I have to be careful in answering to your question as it came with the clause. You said a clear no to what you call as cliched answer. Yeah, you know what is electroplating? You may have learned in your science classes in middle school. So electroplating is a process that uses an electric current to reduce dissolved metal cation so that they form a thin coherent metal coating on an electrode. So many technical terms used here, electrode and all this electric current. Yeah, some of these are normal terms. To give a better understanding of what electroplating is, it's a process where what is the ultimate purpose of carrying out this process is to give a coating over a dull metal, a coating of a precious metal, like on a metal of brass. If we want to coat it with copper ions, we go through this process of electroplating. Now, what it is, we have an electrolyte which is shown like this liquid there. Then we have two electrodes. One the dull one and the other the precious one. And the precious one is connected to a cell or a battery rather. You must be knowing a collection of cells is called a battery. There I am showing 3 cells making the battery. So this is the setup. So let me go again. We have liquid electrolyte, chemical, in a container, in a vessel, in a jar or beaker, in a jar. You have 2 electrodes, 2 plates, one dull plate which can be seen on the right side and one, the precious one, on the left side. We have a battery to supply power, and then the 2 plates are connected to the power supply, and there is no direct connection between the 2 plates. Now both the plates are dissolved in a liquid. So when you set up the current, something happens. And the chemical process that happens, the end result of the process is we get a deposit of metal coating over the plate that is shown on the right side. Now, to draw an analogy, the dull one you can assume as a disciple, a learner. The bright one, the lustrous one, is master, teacher. The liquid is water of devotion. Master is always dipped in water of devotion. So the disciple needs to immerse in water of devotion, then set up a connection, that integrating fiber with the cosmic power, with the cosmic source. So master and disciple are connected to the cosmic source. And then when we set up the current, the magic happens. And that magic brings about the transformation in the dull plate. So the disciple gets transformed slowly and gradually and gets the color of the master. So this is the association. And through this association, the complete transformation happens. And the power comes through holy name. So I hope this makes things little clear, or you'd like to argue on this also. That's right, because this is a scientific process. We cannot argue over that. So a flashback, quick fast flashback. Master, disciple, the cosmic power. Both master and disciple are connected to the cosmic power, and both are dissolved, immersed. Both are immersed in water of devotion. Through the integrating fiber, that connection happens through initiation, the initial step that you take in the path of spiritual journey. And then the magic happens. So, to sum it up, where logic fails, magic starts. Thank you.